Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Today is June 1st. It's the first of the month. So today, I don't really have, well, let me stop playing. I actually have a lot to do today. And guess who get to come along with me? You. I got to get this dresser that I found on Facebook Marketplace. I gotta go pick that up at 9:30 this morning. That's in 45 minutes. So I gotta be getting out of the door. I need to go get some more food for the house. I think I might stop into Costco, but I'm not sure. I know I need to at least go to Walmart or Target, but definitely thinking about Costco. And I need to stop by Lowe's. I don't know if I will today, but I like to. At Lowe's, I need to get some paint because I'm ready to start painting my basement downstairs. It's like this ugly blue wall that I have had to live with since we bought this house, and I am tired of it. It is so ugly. I'm ready to go. Y'all ready? Turn off all these lights. Don't leave all these lights on. Come on. As you guys can see, we are on our way inside of Costco. I haven't been to this particular location in a long time. This one is the one that's always packed.
Because Costco sucks. Can y'all walk a little faster?
Yeah, we walking up. Oh, let me make sure I got my card with me. So, I had my card. Look, Reagan about to try to get up in there. Girl, don't be inhaling that stuff. You don't know what that is. That's a thing to go into the air, not up your damn nose.
Oh, I thought it was like one of those fragrance.
Do you want to sit in it?
There's 3. You have to take off your shoes. You're gonna massage your feet.
Uh-oh. I hope them feet don't stink.
I don't have no socks on.
Oh, that looks nice. Wow. I want one. Really, Reagan? Look at her. And look at him. Should I do it?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Toes.
Look at Randy. No. How does it feel?
Ticklish. Good. I wish
This doesn't even do nothing.
Yeah, it does. It goes down.
This is so relaxing. Like, really.
So relaxing. Look at that face. Look at them socks. Who wears socks like that?
My feet weren't tied up in here. I'll kick you in the mouth.
They're tied up.
This is good.
Andy. Oh, your feet are in there. It's like locked in.
Do I look comfortable?
You look like you're about to burst out laughing.
I'm about to fall asleep. Oh my god. This is awesome.
But we're not getting one.
This was so comfortable.
It felt good, right, Mommy?
It did.
My toes.
And a rose gold. Rose gold is pretty, but it's very pastel. Look dirty.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
You have to put
The black looks kind of.
This one I like it.
Yeah, it looks kind of fancy, expensive.
I have a white smoke coming off my feet.
Look at Rihanna, y'all. Look at that. They got a little clubhouse in here. What do you think of the little spa treatment we got?
It was good, but when I got up to her back a little too high, then it started hurting, but then it felt good when I got comfortable.
Yeah, that was pretty nice.
I want one.
Sorry. It's busy in here, y'all.
Yeah. Speed up the process.
Hold on. No, don't get that. Come on. We need to go get some fresh produce over there. We just went kind of in a big circle. There's the watermelon again. They always got like some type of bread or pastries out. We haven't had these before, these cream cheese Danish. And you can get 2-pack of any flavor for $9.99. Y'all want to try some of these cream cheese Danish?
Not really.
Look at her face. What about strawberry filled croissant?
Oh, I want to do that one.
No, these are all strawberry filled croissant. And you got to get 2.
It smells like shit.
They got cinnamon sugar. This what you want to try too? You got to get 2 of them for the $8.99.
Yeah, we'll try that shit.
Cinnamon. You want to try this? I've never had it before, so hopefully it's good. There's all the bagels, $6.99. Two C's. Y'all don't want no bagels?
Yeah, I'll take some bagels.
You get 2. Get 2 packs. Not 2 pack. Like on your shirt. What about this kind? Y'all didn't like this kind the last time? Now, finally we going in for the produce. Woo, it's cold in here. This room is kept at freezing temperatures. $6.49 for all of this. And these strawberries look good. Oh, except for that one right there. Except for him. Okay, we gotta be a little picky about it. I always like to check the bottom to make sure we ain't getting some rotted out stuff. Okay. We got some peppers. You get like a pack of 6 of them. $5.99. We eat peppers like crazy, so that'll be good. Got cherries, raspberries. Oh, some more strawberries, and these are only $5.49. Okay, it's raspberries. Y'all want some raspberries?
Those
Are y'all gonna eat them?
Those are blackberries.
Oh, blackberries. They got Brussels sprouts. Want some Brussels sprouts? Got a little storage sink caddy. Now this is $12.99, but basically you can put all your little equipment in there and then just carry it out like that. That's pretty cool. And of course they got all the little dishes and pots and pans. Oh,
Stop breaking.
if you need some things for your pantry. And this is only $59.99. So it's a set of 9. And this is my favorite thing about this, because you can just pop that up and it seals it. It has a little seal on
We already
there.
have something like that. What?
Put it down.
Something that I imagine I would buy.
That's pretty cool. They even got refrigerators in here. You see?
What are we looking for pits for refrigerators again?
This is the kind of refrigerator we should have got. I don't know. Do y'all think this is... We could have put like lunch meats and stuff in here. We could have put some fruits in here. Veggies in here. And everything else up there. And then I like the fact that it got this. And you can just push that open like that. Yes. I likes that. And I like the little French doors. We got an ice machine. And if you plan on going camping, they got some tents right there.
And your dog is gonna,
And a treadmill.
I'm gonna like not.
Not those. Those headlamps.
And then they got all these
Because the inside is red.
batteries.
Yeah, just because the inside right here.
Look at that. Oh look, they got those little patio heat lamps. We definitely need this. Definitely. And then they got a propane tank. I mean, it's a fire pit, but you connect it to a propane tank.
That wasn't even a game. That was underground.
Some cute little chairs. Oh, these are cute. That's cute. Patio. Now this is what I want right here. Look at this. Oh my God, I love this. This is what I want.
You know, let's sit down while we're doing all
Sit down. Look. Just imagine it. You can sit down right here. And then you can do it like a fire pit right here in the middle. It's a 7-piece set for $14.99.
The Pringles looking mighty good.
This is nice. And look at the chairs.
36 cans.
I love this set.
36, that's 12.
More chips. think we already came down this section. Look at this. Oh, we didn't go on this side. Okay, time to go back here. Let's stay on this side. Bread, 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 and more bread. This bread is actually really good.
Do it. Take it.
You're about to get kicked out of the store.
What are you doing?
Stop.
God, you're mad. Give me the bread. What are you doing? So I can throw it in the trash. I will do it. It was on my
Y'all see any cereal y'all want?
Mommy.
Okay. Birthday cake granola. That's probably good. Can you put that in your oatmeal?
Nope. Too late. Nothing to do.
Frozen fruits. What about this?
What is that? Lamb?
It is. Ooh, it smells like raw meat in there. It's a pig.
Shut up.
It's a pig.
It's a pig?
Oh no, it's a goat. It's a goat. Tablets. Damn, $62 for that? $62 for that, for real. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Okay, we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. They got self checkout now. I didn't know they had that. I don't really want to deal with it because really though. Watch out, Reagan. Please keep safe distance. Stay 6 feet apart from him.
Vienna.
We put the basket right there. And then we'll go on the other side. Here. Oh, girl. Move. Uh-huh. There's Reagan. We got a Randy. Give this, show them this. Show it to him. You gotta go up to him. Come over to the side so people can get through. Thank you. You too. Okay, let's go to the car, guys.